Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some awesome news from the Arch-based world. The team behind CachyOS has dropped their first release of the year, version 26.0124. This one's packed with installer improvements, a slick new Plasma login manager, and yes, Wayland is now the default. So if you're not familiar, Cachy is a performance-focused distribution that's based on Arch Linux. It's known for optimized kernels, smart compiler tweaks, and an out-of-the-box setup that's friendly to both new users and experienced users alike. The latest ISO image ships with the KDE Plasma desktop, and the developers have focused heavily on improving the installation experience. The first big highlight is the reworked system installer. It's not just a visual refresh. It comes with a ton of quality of life improvements. Bootloader selection has been moved inside the installer itself, complete with descriptions for each bootloader. The default choice is now Limine, which aims to simplify and speed up boot performance. Architecture detection now runs right at the start of installation. That's actually a really smart change because it helps reduce the download size by about 1 gigabyte, perfect for users with slower connections or smaller storage setups. They've also fine-tuned how packages are installed under the hood. Pacman now uses the -- needed flag, which skips reinstalling packages that are already up to date. It sounds small, but it saves time and bandwidth, especially if you're reinstalling or running multiple test setups. If you're a fan of Btrfs, then you'll enjoy this next one. When installing to NVMe drives, mount options have been improved and now default to compression level 1. That means slightly smaller footprint and faster read performance, all without having to tweak FS-tab later. The ISO now uses the brand new Plasma Login Manager, replacing older display managers. It looks cleaner, it's tightly integrated with KDE Plasma, and of course, it defaults to Wayland instead of X11. This means smoother animations, better multi-DPI handling, and great support for modern GPUs. If you're running NVIDIA, results may vary, but it's really nice to see CachyOS pushing the modern stack forward. So let's recap. CachyOS 26.0124 brings a polished, smarter installer, better bootloader management, reduced download sizes, optimized NVMe options for Btrfs, the new Plasma login manager, and Wayland as the default display server. It's a solid step forward for one of the best performance-based Arch Linux distros out there. If you've tried the new CachyOS, let me know down in the comments. How's your experience been with the new installer and using Wayland? If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more Linux content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.